Good afternoon and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Afternoon English News with Premi Thangjam. Before we begin, the first headlines. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presents statement showing supplementary demands for grants for Manipur for 2024-25. Will also present Manipur budget 2025 in the ongoing budget session. Rajya Sabha MP Sanajau Balaisemba demands centre to facilitate return of Kabo Valley to Manipur. Targets former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru of gifting away Kabo Valley to Burma. And Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla calls for surplus production of fishes to cut down import in Manipur. Another news in detail. The second part of the budget session of Parliament resumed today. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented second batch of supplementary demands for grants for 2024-25, which included the statement of estimated receipt and expenditure for the state of Manipur for the year 2025-26. And also the statement showing supplementary demands for grants for the state of Manipur for the year 2024-25. Later, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will also present the budget for Manipur for the year 2025 in the Lok Sabha, as Manipur has been under President's rule since February 13th. Union Home Minister Amit Shah is also said to seek parliamentary approval for the proclamation of President's rule in Manipur. Meanwhile, the second leg of Parliament budget session began with disruptions over the alleged Hindi language imposition. Tension soared in Lok Sabha after DMK member states protest over Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's remarks that Tamil Nadu government was dishonest on the issue of implementing the PM Schools for Rising India PM Fisheries scheme. The disruption led to a 30-minute adjournment in the lower house before being adjourned again till 2 p.m. The house resumed again at 2 p.m. The parliament session, which will continue till April 4th, will feature government's push for the passage of a Waqf amendment bill. Opposition will also target the government over Manipur conflict and allegations of voter list manipulation, among other issues.
Sir, with your permission, I rise again to present a statement, Hindi and English versions of the estimated receipts and expenditure of the state of Manipur for the year 25-26. Sir, again, I rise to present a statement, Hindi and English version showing the supplementary demands for grants in respect of the state of Manipur for the year 24-25.
Rajya Sabha MP Sanajau Balaisemba has demanded Government of India to examine the feasibilities of returning Kabo Valley to Manipur and India. Rajya Sabha MP Sanajau Balaisemba raised the issue of Kabo Valley during 0 hour of Rajya Sabha session today, while terming the Kabo Valley as a resourceful and fertile landmass spreading across 22,210 square kilometers. MP Sanajau informed that the valley was once a part of Manipur Kingdom from as early as 1450 AD. Informed the House that Pandit Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, gifted away Kabo Valley of Manipur to erstwhile Burma, now Myanmar, on March 3 of 1953, following a meeting with Prime Minister of Burma. The giving away of Kabo Valley was the most unfortunate event in the history of Manipur, as it was done with any approval from Parliament of India or endorsement of state. He also alleged that Indian Prime Minister Nehru completely ignored the terms and conditions of Treaty of Yandabu of 1826. The MP then urged the centre to work out on feasibilities of reclaiming Kabo Valley once again.
The way of Kabo Valley to Burma was the most unfortunate day in the history of Manipur because it was done without any prior approval of Indian Parliament or state endorsement or rectification. Moreover, Nehru completely ignored the terms and the conditions of the Treaty of Zandabu of 1826, and accordingly to Kabo Valley, 1834, Burma agreed to pay a sum of rupees 500 Sikar rupees per month as compensation of Kabo Valley to the then King of Manipur, Sri Gambhir Singh Singh. The said amount had been paid to Manipur till 1949. After 1949, with the merger of Manipur to India, the same amount was paid to Government of India till around 1953. Without knowing all these historical backgrounds, Nehru gifted away this resourceful valley to Burma. Moreover, because of this historical blunder, Manipur will never forgive Nehru and his party Congress. Now the valley is no more with Manipur, India, and no compensation is received yet. So I earnestly urge upon the India government through this house to examine the feasibilities of returning Kabo Valley.
Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla has called for production of adequate fish in the state to mitigate importing fish from outside the state. He was speaking at the inaugural function of Mashir Hatchery and Freshwater Ecology and Sustainable Aquaculture Fisher Laboratory at the auditorium of Manipur University, Kanchipur. The initiative was jointly taken up by the Vice-Chancellor of MUN ICAR CICFR, Bhimtal Director. Speaking further, Governor Bhalla stressed on the key challenges of fish farmers in the state, such as infrastructure gaps, low production level and lack of marketing linkages, while adding that such factors discouraged the fish farmers. He went on to underscore the need for addressing these challenges through linkages with outside agencies and state governments' initiatives. The function was also attended by Vice-Chancellor of MU Professor N. Lokendra, Deputy Director General of Fisheries Science ICAR New Delhi Dr. Joy Krishna Jena, Chief Executive of National Fisheries Development Board NFDB Hyderabad, Vijay Kumar Behera, and Director of ICAR Central Institute of Cold Water Fisheries Research Bhimtal, Dr. Pramod Kumar Pandey as the main dignitaries. During the event, an exhibition stall was also installed besides releasing a calendar of the varsity.
Today we are gathered not only to discuss the fisheries prospects in Northeast but also to recognize significance of Hasir, a particular fish. Of course, everyone, all of you know better than this thing. So this newly inaugurated hatchery here at Manipur University is a beacon of hope and progress. It will not only support conservation but also contribute to ecotourism and sports fisheries. Additionally, it will serve as a center for research, training and demonstration. I'm sure our farmers and our people in the catchment areas will be benefited. And it will definitely equip students with better knowledge and skills required for the sustainable development of fisheries. As we move forward, I urge all stakeholders, academicians, scientists, policymakers, and fish farmers to collaborate and innovate. Let's work together to protect our aquatic resources while ensuring economic prosperity for the people of Manipur and the Northeast region.
Now, New Delhi Police has summoned a Koki Students Organization KSO leader Pauja Khubguite after an FIR was registered against him for threatening a journalist from national media in front of camera. The 40-year-old KSO leader was registered under BNSS section of 35 clause 36 and the summon was sent by police stationed Kartavya Path, New Delhi Police Station. Social activist Ashanka Sar has questioned the use of tricolour flag during protest rally and agitations. In a post on X, Ashanka Sar questioned how can people use national flag during a protest that was against centre's decision and against central security forces. The social activist was also inquired as to who gave permission to use tricolour flag during a protest and also questioned centre for not initiating legal action against the organizer of the protest. Security has arrested 17 members from 5 different prescribed groups from across Hill and Valley districts yesterday during their such operations, which was conducted in an effort to restore normalcy in the state. According to Police Control Room, police arrested 5 members, including 4 women of prescribed group NRFM from Gandhi Avenue, Thangal Bazaar under City Police Station in Imphal West District yesterday. Police also verified that the arrested members were involved in extortion activities from general public and smuggling weapons. In a similar incident, Manipur police also arrested 1 NRFM woman member from Golapati Masjid Chauba Awang Laikai under Porompat Police Station yesterday. Police recovered 1,07,260 rupees cash from her possession. And police also informed that she was involved in extortion activities from general public, private firms and government officials. Meanwhile, police also arrested 2 members of prescribed group Pripag Pro from Khongman Nandai Bamlaikai under Irilbung Police Station in Imphal East District. They were also involved in extortion activities from general public. On the other hand, Manipur police arrested 3 members of Pripag Pro from near Ima Medhapati School, Hainopok in Imphal West District for their involvement in extortion activities. Additionally, Manipur police also arrested 1 cadre of prescribed group KCP PWG from RIMS main gate in relation to extortion activities. 3 members of prescribed group UPPK were also arrested from Langol Type H in Imphal West District. Security force also arrested 1 member of prescribed group KYKL from Indo-Myanmar border pillar number 79 gate number 2 under More Police Station in Tengnopal District. Interfaith Forum Manipur IFM has appealed to all concerned to allow the tense situation in the state to calm down enough for some time. In a press release, IFM further appreciated the central government's decisive actions to control arms and violence in the state, while expressing belief that the central government may like to take the help of senior citizens, including women peacemakers, retired goodwill government employees and influential responsible religious leaders across the divides to prepare the ground before any such actions as road opening rightfully for all and as obligation of the state are contemplated. Further highlighting that many innocent lives remain untraceable while thousands of displaced persons longing to get back to their homes. It added that they all concerns to peacefully resolve the conflicts. IFM continued that it remains ready to support peaceful ways of resolving the conflicts while emphasizing that people across the divides, including security personnel, seek peace for their wife and children at home. It also maintained that protecting children's rights and providing quality education to them are the first priorities. Royal Riders President R.K. Tombisana has reiterated the organization's commitment to provide aid to people and to safeguard the environment. The statement was made during the 18th Foundation Day of Royal Riders, which was organized at Maitei Langol in Imphal West District today. The attendees also hoisted the official Royal Riders flag and paid floral tribute to late Royal Riders members. Speaking further, R.K. Tombisana highlighted that the organization was founded with an aim to travel across the country and help people, while stating that today's Foundation Day was organized in a simple manner due to the ongoing conflict in the state. He also highlighted that the organization has been organizing various health camps at rural areas. Furthermore, R.K. Tombisana also assured that Royal Riders will continue to aid the people in the future.
Chinga tamya thapa jagada government facility letaba jagadu hosala hapana diga kem to machine pana yamna koyo jabatu manu karigana da serving with adventure ba modo thana adventure dona enjoy to jaba khosha chindana ai kaloki funding go na koila na 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 ko volunteer ga sagina ayama donation to biba magi mana anam mic contribution to bodo sijna ga dugumba group ni adu ko yoje खुशी है जिधर अब दाम लाई बनी ना कोई स्टेट को है ना जो इरम दंगे बने जो अपने मगे बने जो अब ना दाम लाई बनी ना अधिक दम तो कोई जो जिसकी कतंग दाम दाए तारे हरे तब तो जाबो फोन मधु वो मतलब फर्क आंदा दी कोई मधु की करो तो कोई एनर्जी ले रही कोई रेडी ले रही
Gyan Ratna Sahitya Academy, Guwahati has presented Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Award and Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi National Award to Laifrakpam Shyama Sakhi and Kuraijam Sundari respectively. The awards were presented at the 10th National Conference and Award Ceremony, which was organized by Shyam Ratna Sahitya Academy at Amarpurva Bhavan, Beltola in Guwahati yesterday. During the event, Laifrakpam Shyama Sakhi and Kuraijam Sundari were presented with the awards for the exceptional work in medicinal field. The awards contained a medal, memento and certificates. Laifrakpam Shyama Sakhi is currently working as an Ayush pharmacist at CHC Awang Sekmai, while Kuraijam Sundari currently works as a government staff nurse. And in sports news, India clinched a thrilling 4-wicket win over New Zealand in the final of Champions Trophy 2025 to clinch the marquee ICC event for a record-breaking third time. Electing to bat first, New Zealand set a target of 251 runs for the loss of 7 wickets. In reply, India reached home in 49 overs in the final match that was played at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium. In the run chase, captain Rohit Sharma made 76 runs, while Shreyas Iyer also contributed with 48 runs. Rohit Sharma was adjudged the man of the match for his 76-run knock, while New Zealand's batsman Rachin Ravindra was declared the player of the tournament. And now the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Centre Imphal, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 28.6 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 9.4 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 82% in the morning and 25% in the evening. Manipur received 16.6 millimeters of rainfall in the past 24 hours. Before we conclude, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presents statement showing supplementary demands for grants of Manipur for 2024-25. Will also present Manipur Budget 2025 in the ongoing budget session. Rajya Sabha MP Sanajau Laisemba demands Centre to facilitate return of Kabo Valley to Manipur. Targets former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru of gifting away Kabo Valley to Burma. And Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla calls for surplus production of fishes to cut down import in Manipur. And with that, we came to an end in this edition of the afternoon, the English news. Thank you for watching Sktv's News.